Alright, now we're getting to the advanced stuff. Mwahaha. That was such a bad line. Yes, energy is important for almost all speeches you'll give, but you have to discern between different kinds of energy. Tone, or emotion, is vital to giving off the right vibe for a particular section or type of speech. Now, you won't be all giddy in a speech about unemployment, for example. 3 million people have been laid off. No, that's not the right vibe. It'll be more like 3 million people have been laid off. The sadder the emotion, maybe the mellower your voice. The angrier, the more powerful your voice. You get it. But tone is complex. It's not just about your voice. Facial expressions contribute a lot to how the audience perceives your emotion. And it's kind of like acting. But the best advice I can give you is to feel that emotion on the inside. Convey it naturally. Connect with it using your own life experiences and things you've seen to bring about that particular emotion. It's gotta be genuine. So, for example, don't smile or have your eyebrows raised in excitement or even make a lot of facial expressions if the tone of your speech is about something more serious, like unemployment. Have a more concerned one, like this. So this is another kind of silly but extremely helpful exercise. List all the emotions you can possibly think of, from surprise, nervousness, frustration, you name it. After you're done, say ham sandwich over and over in each emotion, ideally into a mirror, till you feel like that tone is really coming across. It's interesting because ham sandwich is a totally random word, so you have to work to conjure up feelings on the inside. Figure out how you might want to use facial expressions and vocal contrast to convey all those emotions.